Welcome back to EN 132 Advanced Reading and Writing with Chris Morrow. I'm using these videos to summarize, not to replace our lectures, but I want to help people who might have missed something and people maybe who were affected by the weather in the second week or something like that. So, I'm looking at one of my Blackboard courses here. And in the first videos I talked about the syllabus section. I keep a syllabus here for you to understand the course and the grading. There's a survey here I'd like you to try on this syllabus section here. So there's nothing yet in instructor mode, but there's a syllabus here. And then if we go down, a lot of the week 1 material is right over here in course information. I'm not going to repeat all of that at the moment. I will try to start using the what's new and due section here for some of the important assignments. We do have discussions, and some groups did 3 discussions in the first week or 2. My Happy Time, number 1. Number 2, My Journey to America. And I would like everybody now to finish the last discussion. Someone I admire. I respect him. I think he's a great man who I should imitate. A wonderful man. So, how do you do a discussion? Quickly again, I showed you this before. I click on the link here. I see that I have published a thread here. And now, if I want to write about somebody that I admire, I have to create a new thread and write maybe 7 to 9, 10 sentences about someone I admire, and then save it there, and it will appear here where other people can read it and find out about you. Let's jump back now to the course information section for a minute here, because there's an important area called vocabulary down at the bottom under the ReadWorks area. There's 2 important links here to help you in your vocabulary study. One is called the Sublist 1 AWL Vocabulary from Sublist 1,